Hi and welcome back again to another tutorial on using IRIV PiControl with Node-RED. In this tutorial, we will see how we can monitor the temperature and humidity using Node-RED. We will need IRIV PiControl RS485 temperature and humidity sensor and the power supply. Before we see the connection diagram, first we will set the unit ID for the sensor. This ID will be used in our code later to get the readings. To do this, we need to access the DIP switch on the sensor's PCB. Gently open both ends of the sensor, one at a time. Next, carefully remove the PCB from the metal shell. You will find the DIP switch on the PCB, which determines the unit ID. For this tutorial, we will set the unit ID to 1. Now, reassemble the sensor securely. With that done, we are ready to connect the wires to IRIV PiControl. Start by powering up the power supply using AC source. Connect the power supply to IRIV PiControl. Since we are working with isolated power connection system in IRIV, we will have to use the external power supply for the sensor. Connect the red wire to VN, connect the black wire to ground, connect the yellow wire to RS485A pin in IRIV. Connect the white wire to RS485B pin in IRIV. Please remember to handle all connection with care and double check connections for accuracy. To start on Node-RED, first we need to install Modbus nodes. You can do this using the Node-RED palette manager. Look for these Modbus nodes. We will start by dragging an inject node onto the flow. Open its properties and set repeat to interval every 1 second. Next, drag and drop Modbus getter node and open its properties window. The first setting we have here is unit ID. This identifies the Modbus device we are communicating with. Previously, we've already set the sensor's ID to 1. This is the function code, which specifies the type of Modbus function. Choose function code 3 to read holding registers. Next, we have the address, and this specifies the starting register from which data will be read or written. Type in 0 for the temperature and humidity sensor we are using. The quantity specifies the number of registers to be read or written. In our case, type in 2 to read the temperature and humidity. Next, we have to edit the server settings. Change the server type to serial. For the serial port, click on the search icon and then choose this port. Change the serial type to RTU. Click on Update, then close the window. Now, drag a function node to get the humidity readings. Open its properties and write this short code. Number 0 in this line is to get the humidity reading from the Modbus getter node. Click Done and drag another function node to get the temperature readings. Open its properties and write this code. Make sure to adjust this number to 1 to get the temperature readings. Now, drag 2 debug nodes to display the readings in the debug window. Connect all the nodes together this way, then click Deploy, and you will notice the readings appear in the debug window. Now let's take this step further and display the readings in the dashboard. Drag 2 gauge nodes. Open the first one and adjust these settings for humidity readings. Open the second one and adjust these settings for the temperature readings. Now connect these nodes in this way and hit Deploy. After that, open a new tab in your browser and type in this address to access the dashboard. And there you go. Now you can monitor the temperature and humidity through this Node-RED dashboard. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.